హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్ఎంఆర్ తెలుగు ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఈ వీడియోస్లో మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేద్దామంటే లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ పాయింటర్స్. లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ పాయింటర్స్. int a, int asterisk ptr, int asterisk asterisk pptr, int asterisk 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 pptr. Here a is equal to 10, ptr is equal to address of a, pptr is equal to address of ptr, ptr is equal to address of ptr. Next, what is the value of a? ptr. So address of a, address of ptr, asterisk ptr, pptr, address of pptr, asterisk pptr, asterisk asterisk pptr, pptr, address of pptr, asterisk pptr, asterisk asterisk pptr, address asterisk 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 pptr. Okay, here the variable name is a. Every variable has some name a, some address. Here I am taking 500. Initial value is garbage value. This one is int asterisk ptr. So variable name is ptr, some address. I am taking 600. So initial value is garbage value. Next, int asterisk asterisk pptr. Here variable name is ptr, some address 700. Initial value is garbage value. Next, int asterisk 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 pptr. So variable name is pptr, some address 800. So initial value is garbage value. So a is equal to 10. So value of this garbage value is replaced with 10. Next, ptr is equal to address of a. Here a value is 10, address of a is 500. That 500 is stored in ptr. So this ptr is pointing to this address. Next, pptr is equal to address of ptr. Here ptr is 500, address of ptr is 600. The 600 is stored in pptr. So this garbage value is replaced with 600. So this pointer is, this one is 600 is pointing to this location. Next, pptr is equal to address of pptr. Here PPTR is 600, address of PPTR is 700. The 700 is stored in PPTR, value is 700. Now this variable is pointing to this one. So these are the levels of pointers. Okay, this is single pointer, this is double pointer, this is a triple pointer, or so on. Any levels of pointers are allowed in C language. Now what is the value of A? So what is the value of A? Value of A is 10. So what is the PTR? PTR is 500. What is the address of A? Here the address of A is 500. What is address of PTR? This one is PTR. This one is address of PTR. Address of PTR is 600. What is asterisk PTR? So what is asterisk PTR? So PTR is 500. 500. Asterisk PTR is 500 address variable, that is A. Indirectly A. What is the value of A? 10. A, this value is 10. Next. So what is PPTR? PPTR is 600. What is address of PPTR? PPTR address is 700. This value is 700. Okay, so what is asterisk PPTR? What is asterisk PPTR? What is PPTR? PPTR is 600. PPTR is 600. 600 address variable, that is PTR. Asterisk PPTR is indirectly is equal to PTR. So indirect, what is the value of PTR? Is equal to 500. Next, first it is replaced asterisk PPTR. How this one is evaluated? First it is evaluated as asterisk PPTR. PPTR is 600. Asterisk PPTR is 600 address variable. Indirectly this one is returns PTR. That means this value is equal to asterisk PTR. Next one is, this one is evaluated. What is PTR? PTR value is 500. Asterisk PTR is 500 address variable, that is A. Indirectly this one is equal to A. A value is 10. So this one is replaced with, so this one is replaced with A. So A value is equal to 10. So asterisk PPTR value is equal to A. Next. So PPTR value is 700. So this value is equal to 700. Next, address of asterisk address of PPTR. PPTR address is 800. This value is equal to 800. So what is asterisk PPTR? So PTR value is equal to 700. Asterisk means 500, 700 address variable, that is indirectly P. This value is indirectly PTR. That means PTR value is 600. Next, up to this is equal to PTR is 700. Asterisk PTR is 700 address variable, that is indirectly this is equal to that returns PTR. So PTR is 600, asterisk PTR is 600 address variable, that indirectly it is PTR. Indirectly this is PTR. The PTR value is equal to 500. So this value is equal to 500. Next, up to this so PTR value is 700. Asterisk means 700 address variable PTR. Indirectly up to this it returns PTR. PTR. So asterisk PTR is 600. Asterisk PTR is 600 address variable. Indirectly that is PTR. So this value is up to this value is PTR. This value is equal to PTR. Next it is evaluated as asterisk PTR. Indirectly asterisk PTR is 500. Asterisk PTR is 500 address variable, that is indirectly A. That value is equal to 10. So these are the levels of pointers in C language. So here I am taking void main. So variables are int A, int star PTR, int star star PPTR, int star 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 or asterisk 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 PTR. A is equal to 10, PTR is equal to address of A, PPTR is equal to address of PTR, PTR is equal to address of PTR, and then printf %d comma A comma address of A. The address of A can be represented by using format specifier is U, %U. Here the printf. So run this code, Alt F9, Control F9, Alt F5. Output is 10, address is 65,524. Here I am using CLR SCR. Here printf %d comma asterisk PTR. Asterisk PTR is indirectly A. So %U comma address of PTR. Then I am printing here I am using slash n for every slash n. So slash n percentage d comma asterisk asterisk pptr. Indirectly this is a, and then percentage u, so asterisk pptr is nothing but ptr is address. Once again you are using percentage u comma address of ptr. Next I am writing printf slash n percentage d address of asterisk 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 ptr. This value is indirectly is equal to a. Next here I am writing percentage u comma asterisk asterisk pptr. So asterisk asterisk pptr indirectly address. That's why here I am writing percentage u comma asterisk pptr. This is also address. That's why here I am writing percentage u. Once again percentage u comma address of ptr. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. This one is the output. Here you have to write asterisk asterisk pptr. This one is address. This one is a value. So asterisk ptr is also a value. This one is also a value. Okay. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. Output is this one. So these are the levels of pointers. Any levels you have to take. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.